Namaste students, myself Aman Swami, Associate Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Dear students, we have discussion on our next pharmacology topic, sources of drug. What is the sources of drug? A drug which from we have obtained, a drug which we have from obtained like plant source, animal source, mineral source, microbial source. These are the sources of drug. And how do we have obtained, which part do we have obtained, this is known as source of drug. First of all, we have start plant. What is the drug obtained from plant part? Like that, flower, fruits, seeds, roots, stem. These are the different part where from we have obtained drug. First of all, flower, a plant in flower, like that, so vinca drug. Vinca, vincristine, vinblastine is the biological source of vinca drug. These are vincristine and vinblastine are used in as a anti-cancer drug. As a anti-cancer drug, these are the vinca flower part used as a anti-cancer drug. This is the source of flower part for anti-cancer treatment. Again, what is fruit and seeds? Plant part, fruit and seeds, where from obtained is a like that's a neem plant. Neem plant used as a antiseptic treatment, and skin allergy treatment used as a neem plant, and neem plant part is a fruit and seeds are used in the drug source of as a anti-allergic drug, and anti-diabetic patient also used in as a neem. Next, stem part. Plant of stem part are used as a treatment of like as a malaria drugs. Cinchona stem part of the cinchona plant are used in anti-malarial drug. Next, root strawberry drug is used as a treatment for the different kinds of disease. Is the root part of the strawberry. Like that's the next we have go to ahead leaf. Leaf part are used as digitalis purpurea. Digitalis used in the treatment of congestive heart patients. And tobacco, neem, tulsi, these are the leaf part used in the treatment of diseases, and these are the sources of drugs from obtained we have leaf. And again next, flower parts from rose and vinca plant used for as a drug and used for the drug sources and treatment of disease. And the fruit parts, senna and opium, Papaver somniferum and Cinchona office, Cineraria laseriana. This is the part of the fruit part, and is used in the treatment of as a cinchona used as a purgative treatment, and opium as a used as antipsychotic drug treatment like the morphine, codeine. These are the antipsychotic drugs. And the root, Rauwolfia serpentina, ashwagandha, known as is a simple name root. Root part is used as a Rauwolfia serpentina in treatment. And next is bark. Cinchona bark and stem are used for treatment of anti-malarial drug. These are the plant sources of the drug which we have obtained, and these sources are used in treatment of different kind of diseases. Next, source of animal source. This we have obtained from drug as a source. First of all, pancreas. Animal pancreas are used in the preparation of insulin drug. Animal pancreas of the beta cells, are used in the preparation of insulin drug. These are the used as a anti-diabetic drug. This is the source of animal source. And next is sheep. Sheep are used as a treatment of thyroid, T3 and T4 hormones level controlled. T3 and T4. These are the animal source of, these are obtained from sheep, and sheep from thyroid sheep. Okay, next, cod liver oil. Vitamin A obtained from cod liver oil as a from animal source. Is the cod liver of a fish cod liver extract, and in the form of vitamin A source is a animal source. Next is blood, and the blood is used in the formation of vaccines. Animal like that, horse blood, we have centrifuges and RBC settle down and serum in upward movement, and these serum are used to preparation of vaccine formulation. Next is pepsin. These are pepsin are present in stomach, and animal stomach too we have obtained as a source of pepsin. Next is urine. Animal urine obtained from HCG, human gonadotropic hormone. These are used in the detection of pregnancy. Human gonadotropic hormone, this is a source of animal. And next is bone. Bone is the best source of calcium. These are obtained from animal bone. This is the obtained from animal bone and rich source of calcium, bone. And these calcium are used in calcium deficiency treatment. Next, minerals. Minerals are different minerals are present in our earth, and these animals are used in the treatment and as a drug source for treatment of the disease and diagnose. Minerals like that iron, zinc, iodine, cobalt, nickel, borax, fluoride, chloride. These are the different of mineral source. These are used as a, first of all, iron. Iron is used as treatment of anemia. Anemia is blood deficiency. These are the source of mineral. And next is zinc. Zinc are used in the treatment of wound healing. wound healing के ट्रीटमेंट के लिए जिंक को अपन यूज करते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट इज आयोडीन. आयोडीन आर द मिनरल सोर्स एंड दीज आर यूज एज ए एंटीसेप्टिक. एंड नेक्स्ट इज गोल्ड. इट इज यूज इन, these are the source of minerals and these are used in the treatment of arthritis disease. Next, mineral source of silver. Silver are used as a immunity agents. These are the source of minerals. And next is borax. Borax are also used as antiseptic and iodine are also used as antiseptic. Both are used in antiseptic. What is the antiseptic? Antiseptic agent which are used to destroy or kill microorganism, destroy and kill the microorganism from living organism या living surface. लिविंग सरफेस से या लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म से या बायोलॉजिकल सिस्टम से किसी भी बैक्टीरिया या माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म का डिस्ट्रॉय करना क्या कहलाता है? एंटीसेप्टिक. एंड नॉन लिविंग सरफेस एंड बैक्टीरिया आर डिस्ट्रॉय एंड किल फ्रॉम नॉन लिविंग सरफेस. दिस इज नाउन एज डिसइंफेक्टेंट. नाउ व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एंटीसेप्टिक एंड डिसइंफेक्टेंट? एक्ट ऑन लिविंग सरफेस एंड एक्ट ऑन नॉन लिविंग सरफेस. बोथ आर kill and inhibit the growth of microorganism. Okay, next, what is the next our mineral sources? Borax. Borax is used as a treatment, as a work as a antiseptic. And next is the selenium. Selenium are used in the treatment of hair falling dandruff. डैंड्रफ के ट्रीटमेंट के लिए सेलेनियम यूज किया जाता है, जो एज ए मिनरल सोर्स के तौर पे इसको अपन ऑब्टेन करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज फ्लोराइड. फ्लोराइड आल्सो यूज एज ए एंटीसेप्टिक. एंटीसेप्टिक, व्हाट इज एंटीसेप्टिक? एंटीसेप्टिक आर यूज टू inhibit or kill the growth of microorganism from living surface. Next is chloride. Chloride is used for water purification and work as a disinfectant. These are the mineral source of we have obtained from minerals: iodine, zinc, gold, silver, copper, borax. These are the used in treatment and diagnosis of the disease. Next is microbial source. These are obtained from microorganism and preparation of drug, and these are used in the treatment of disease and deficiency. First of all, penicillin. Penicillin are founding by penicillin founder Alexander Fleming. These are the used in the treatment of disease, and these have contained microorganisms, living microorganisms. These are the treatment of disease. And next is lactobacillus. These are the bacillus of stomach, and these are the two types: useful bacillus and harmful bacillus. Bacillus are present in stomach. These are also microbial source, microorganism, and these are used to treatment of disease. These are the microbial source. Then streptomycin. These are also Streptomyces graeus is the biological source and microorganism source, and this to prepare the vaccines, and this to prepare of microbial drugs. Next is synthetics. Synthetic are source from our chemical laboratory and in preparation of lab. This is like that imatins and bismuth iodine are used also in treatment of disease. And next is biotechnology. Recombinant biotechnology. These are the used as the source of DNA and in mix and mix and formation of new DNA technology, deoxyribonucleic acid, and one is implant with this DNA and formation of new recombinant DNA technology, and these are used to treatment of disease and diagnose for disease. These are the sources of drug from plant, animal, minerals, microbial, synthetic and biotechnological process. So how is your video? We will discuss on next part on next video. Thank you. Have a good day.